Okay, so good day everyone. Ito po yung isometric room namin na ginawa po for midterms. And as you can see po, we applied materials to the lantern, to the mask, and the toolbox, and the glass flower dito sa baba. For our lantern and toolbox, as you can see here, uh, you can see here na pareho po sila ng materials na ginamit for its texture. And you can see here po sa element 12, ito po yung ginamit namin material which is a type of rusty texture. And for the mask, we use a wood material texture. Ayan po, as you can see here. And here's element 8. And now let's get to the glass flower naman. So here po is we applied a glass type material para po sa texture niya. Then inayos na lang po namin yung kulay na magma-match po doon sa may glass. So ayan po yung itsura niya. Ayan. And ito po yung kabuuan nung itsura ng room with the texture applied sa mga bagay po na ginawa namin. Ayan. And yan, yan. Thank you for listening po.